ever pondered over the difference between IP and analog cameras? Well, you're not alone. It's a question that cuts across the minds of many, sparking curiosity in the technologically savvy and the security-conscious alike. So sit back, relax, and sip your coffee as we delve into this intriguing topic. Firstly, to understand the difference, we need to clarify what each camera is. An IP camera, or Internet Protocol camera, is a type of digital video camera that sends and receives data via the Internet. On the other hand, an analog camera transmits video over coaxial cable to a singular central location for monitoring, recording, and video analysis. Now let's explore the advantages of IP cameras. One of the most significant advantages of IP cameras is their superior image quality. With resolutions up to 20 times that of analog cameras, they offer crystal clear images that are perfect for identifying faces or license plates. Additionally, they have a broader field of view, meaning fewer cameras are needed to cover the same area. IP cameras also offer advanced video analytics such as object recognition and motion detection, making them a powerful tool for security and surveillance. However, IP cameras are not without their drawbacks. They are typically more expensive than their analog counterparts and require a more complex network setup. Also, they consume more bandwidth and storage space due to their high-resolution recordings. On the flip side, analog cameras have their own set of advantages. They are known for their cost-effectiveness and ease of installation. The video signal can be viewed without any delay, and the cameras are less susceptible to being hacked due to their lack of internet connectivity. Yet, analog cameras come with their share of limitations too. Their lower resolution means that the image quality is not as sharp, making it harder to identify details in the footage. The field of view is also narrower, requiring more cameras to cover the same area. Moreover, they lack the advanced features offered by IP cameras, such as video analytics and remote accessibility. Now, to summarize the key differences between IP and analog cameras. 1. Image quality. IP cameras offer superior image quality compared to analog cameras. 1. Field of view. IP cameras have a broader field of view, reducing the number of cameras needed. 1. Advanced features. IP cameras provide advanced video analytics and remote accessibility, features that are not available with analog cameras. 1. Cost and installation. Analog cameras are generally more affordable and easier to install. 1. Security. Analog cameras are less susceptible to hacking due to their lack of internet connectivity. So, the next time someone asks, what's the difference between IP and analog cameras? You'll be able to answer with confidence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a homeowner considering a security system, or simply curious, understanding these differences can help you make informed decisions and engage in knowledgeable conversations. Remember, knowledge is power. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.